So listen here. Next one concept is a loss of biodiversity. Which are the main reasons behind this loss of biodiversity we generally discuss here? Biodiversity get damaged due to the both kinds of reasons. Natural reasons, if some natural calamities occurs there, the biodiversity may get lost there. And due to some man-made reasons also responsible for the loss of biodiversity. So, natural extinction. In a natural extinction, how the biodiversity get lost there. Example is here forest fire. अचानकपणे जंगलामध्ये वणवा पेटला, आग लागली. Different kinds of species of plants, animals, birds may get damaged there due to that forest fire. Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions. These are the some examples of a natural extinction of a different biodiversical species. Man-made extinction. Which factor generally responsible for the extinctions of a species from the biodiversity? Habitat destructions. For the residential purpose, if different habitats of a animals as well as plants get exploited by the human being, that is known as a habitat destructions, and it leads to the destructions or extinctions of a animals, birds as well as plant species. Hunting, settlement, over exploitations and reclamation. These are the factors, these are the general causes behind the extinctions. Man-made extinction is also known as a anthropogenic extinction. त्रासदायक extinctions थोडक्यामध्ये. Mass extinctions. Mass means number, great number. Great impact causing major loss of a species. Number of species, if they get lost, it considered as a mass extinction. In various stages of Earth history, there were 5 mass extinction. Earth history, the evolutionary changes generally proved that there were 5 mass extinction and current loss of biodiversity. आता जो बायोडायव्हर्सिटीचा जो लॉस्ट होत आहे त्या ठिकाणी काही स्पीसीज एक्सटिंक्ट होतात आहे त्या ठिकाणी, दॅट इज द 6th नंबर एक्सटिंक्शन. मेजर कॉज ह्युमन इंटरव्हेन्शन्स इन नॅचरल हॅबिटॅट. जो इंटरफेअर आहे ह्युमन बेइंगचा फॉर इट्स ओन पर्पज, इट इज द मेन कॉज behind this current loss of a biodiversity. It directly results food alterations, disease cycles as well as plant productivity also get affected due to this current loss of a biodiversity by the man. Then causes, main causes of a biodiversity losses. Major 4 causes are there and they generally known as the evil quartet. Which are these 4 major causes? The evil quartet. The first one is here habitat loss and fragmentation. The second one is here over exploitations. पहिल्या ठिकाणी हॅबिटॅट, ज्या ठिकाणी वास्तव्य असतं प्लांट स्पीसीजचं असेल त्या ठिकाणी बर्ड्स असतील, डिफरंट ॲनिमल्स असतील, इन्स्टेड ऑफ अ ह्युमन बिंग, तर त्या ठिकाणी हॅबिटॅट लॉस होणे आणि फ्रॅगमेंटेशन साधारणतः ब्रेक होणे, तिथे ज्या हॅबिटॅट्स असतील थोडक्यामध्ये स्पीसीज लॉस्ट होणे. ओव्हर एक्सप्लॉयटेशन, अतिशय प्रमाणापेक्षा जास्त प्रमाणामध्ये स्पीसीज स्पॉइल होणे, एक्सप्लॉइट होणे थोडक्यामध्ये, दॅट इज नोन ॲज ए ओव्हर एक्सप्लॉयटेशन्स. एलियन स्पीसीज इन्व्हेशन्स, कधी कधी नवीन फॉरेन स्पीसीज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड केली साधारणतः एखाद्या कंट्रीमध्ये, इट मे रिझल्ट्स इंटू ए हार्मफुल चेंजेस. तिच्यामुळे हार्मफुल चेंजेस त्या ठिकाणी होऊ शकतात. जे एंडेमिक स्पीसीज असतात ॲक्च्युली त्या ठिकाणी धोक्यात येऊ शकतात. सो दॅट इज द एलियन स्पीसीज इन्व्हेशन. अँड को एक्सटेन्शन्स, कधी कधी रिलेटेड जी स्पीसीज असते थोडक्यामध्ये रिझेम्बलन्स शोज करणारे, समटाइम्स it may result into a extinction. So these are the 4 evils, 4 major causes behind the biodiversity loss. Habitat loss and fragmentations, over exploitations, alien species invasion, co-extinctions. Always remember the questions may be asked as a multiple choice questions, and you should always remember this four evil quartet or the name of these four evil quartet there. So here the examples in each cause: habitat loss and fragmentation.